set vir Frank luister. Nog 'n hele paar sakke. Dus
The next day.
What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to the video. Actually, yeah, like last time I forgot I had the wrong tools, but I also found out that I was trying to loosen the wrong things on the 1400 to get the brakes off. So something else occurred. I actually needed to replace the front bearings because they have been worn out and they've been leaking grease. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how to do that. I've already done one side, as you can see there, but I just just to figure out, but I'm going to show you guys how to change the bearings on a 1400 as well as the brakes. So let's go. We're going to be taking off the hub directly. So you want to do is get open on over this. See if we can use a screwdriver. Easy does it. You want to loosen your circlip over here. Then you want to get a size 24 to loosen up that nut. These nuts. Okay, I just want to loosen the rest of the nuts on the back of the hub. That one and the top one.
Let me ask you this.
Alex can carry on with the primer and dry.
I was gonna swear now, but my box, I wouldn't say it in Afrikaans, but my box is finally arrived for all the parts for the 1400. So just to mention it quickly as I pack out, because I'm not gonna remember everything, I got a new shock kit, poly mounts and front push kit, a new exhaust manifold, new door mirrors, a tailgate steel handle, tailgate stoppers, steel taillight set, a new ignition kit, new fuel cap, door panel kit, gooseneck, which I don't know what that is yet, and an ignition cover. So yeah, let's unbox all that I just mentioned. I used to speak a lot of Australian. Some of the people who have watched most of the videos would know my Australian accent. Yeah, nah. No idea what. Oh, this is my ignition kit. I don't think I ordered this, but okay. My door locks. I can finally drive the car and not be afraid for them to steal it. Parts. Oh, it's my exhaust manifold. Hope they gave me a gasket, that would be nice. New second-hand manifold. And the MDS, no idea. Oh, she gave me 2. That's nice. Thanks Dezi. Guys, by the way, if you want to find these parts, I'll leave the number down below. Lady's name is Dezi. Yeah, Dezi. She's Dezi. She's based in Vale Park, and they pretty much stock any 1400 parts you guys can think of. So give her a call, a message. She'll send you a list of the parts that they have available. Check it out. Yeah, I think you'll be surprised. New shocks, and then lastly, my new door cards. I'll open these just now and show you guys properly. Hi. First thing we're doing is changing the mirrors. I think it's the easiest thing to do. Yeah, basically this cover's broken, so you take all that screw and then you have 2 screws with a plate on the inside. So yeah, pretty easy. What's up guys, we are back for yet another day working on the 1400. I've been making good progress on the suspension on the right hand side, replacing bushings, tie rod ends, whole bunch of things. I've just been going through it just so I can know what to do before I start recording. But yeah, I'm going to get into changing the sway bar bushings. So I just want to show you guys quickly what you need to remove in order to get to the sway bar bushings. Okay guys, so as you'll see, this one sway bar bushing is over there, other one is right over here. Okay, so we're going to be changing those bushings, but in order to do that you need to remove, I'm not really sure what you call this, but it's also got bushings which I got polyurethane bushings for. So you just remove this one so that the sway bar can come out, so you can reach actually the last bolt. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, I got the sway bar off. Oh, these bushings actually look fairly new, not gonna lie. Maybe I've just caused myself a lot more effort, but let's just get them replaced. Here is the new set. You can see fresh. So let's put them on and then put the sway bar back. Okay guys, while we're here, I'm not sure what you call this. Guys, please correct me in the comments down below if you know what this is called, but I'm replacing these as well. Got some nice new poly bushings. As you can see, the old one looks like AOS. So definitely due for a change. But yeah, glad I got all of these bushings. We just put this there. Take this outies, if it comes outies. Out she comes. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay, and then this one's just gonna go back into its slot.
The next day.
Morning guys, I've got some great news. The Bakkie is finally finished. I finished all the suspension stuff in the front, re-put new brake pads and new suspension in the front. I'm just going to take the car quickly for a wheel alignment, and I'm going to come back and do the rear shocks quickly before I tackle all the interior things. So let's check it at the wheel alignment.
Memphis, man.